Why is digital marketing so crucial in our world today, one may wonder? Well, imagine a world where businesses can reach millions of potential customers, not just locally, but globally. A world where brands can communicate directly with their audience, tailor their offerings based on individual preferences, and engage in real-time conversations. That's the power of digital marketing. In the coming minutes, we'll delve into the world of digital marketing and explore its key strategies. First on our list is search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the art and science of optimizing a website so that it ranks higher in search engine results, attracting more organic or non-paid traffic. It's like setting up signposts on the information superhighway to guide potential customers to your online storefront. Next, we have search engine marketing, or CM. This is where businesses pay to have their ads appear at the top of search engine results. Think of it as renting a billboard on that same information superhighway. Then comes content marketing. This is all about creating and sharing valuable, relevant content to attract and engage your audience. It's like hosting a party where everyone is captivated by your storytelling. Next in line is social media marketing. Businesses use social media platforms to engage with their audience and build brand presence. It's like having a conversation in a bustling market square where everyone can join in. Email marketing is another important strategy. It involves sending targeted messages to nurture leads, retain customers, and drive conversions. Think of it as sending personalized letters to your customers, offering them exactly what they need. Influencer marketing involves collaborating with influencers who can promote your products or services to their large audience. It's like having a popular friend recommend your product at a social gathering. With affiliate marketing, businesses partner with affiliates who promote their products and earn a commission for each sale or lead they generate. It's like having a team of salespeople working on commission. Pay-per-click advertising, or PPC, involves placing ads and paying a fee each time the ad is clicked. It's similar to paying a musician to play a tune each time someone requests it. Mobile marketing involves tailoring marketing efforts for mobile devices. It's like having a personal conversation with each customer right in their pocket. Video marketing is all about creating and sharing videos to engage the audience. It's like putting on a play for your audience, conveying your message through action. Remarketing targets users who have previously interacted with a website or app. It's like reminding a customer about that pair of shoes they liked but didn't buy. Web analytics and data analysis use tools to track and analyze website and campaign performance. It's like having a crystal ball that helps predict what your customers want. Last but not least, conversion rate optimization, or CRO, enhances websites to increase the percentage of visitors who convert into customers. It's like improving the layout of a store to encourage more sales. In conclusion, digital marketing is a dynamic, constantly evolving field. It's a combination of art and science, requiring creativity, data analysis, and the ability to adapt to changing technologies and consumer behaviors. It's a world where businesses can reach millions, engage in real-time conversations, and tailor their offerings to individual preferences. It's a world of endless possibilities. So step into the world of digital marketing and unlock the potential of your business.